xAI wants one plain English request to fan out across hundreds of agents. Not as a research demo, as a background workflow that comes back with one report. The real question is whether that saves operator time or just scales bad decomposition faster. Here is what actually shipped. xAI says Grok Build can now write and run workflows, orchestration scripts that plan a task, split it across parallel agents, verify results, and report back in one background run. Runs get a budget of 128 agents, and up to 1,024 for big jobs. Your main session stays free while the work runs. The practical angle is not vague autonomy. xAI names concrete jobs that already break a single chat window, reviewing every feature in a large pull request, triaging the last 100 issues, or auditing a codebase for one class of bug. If the task splits cleanly and should end in one answer, workflows are the product move. The second real feature is reuse. xAI says saved workflows live in .grok/workflows or ~.grok/workflows, and each saved workflow becomes its own /command with arguments. It also ships /deep research built in, framed as parallel investigators that verify claims before returning a cited report. Now the skepticism beat. Parallel agents are not the same thing as good judgment. xAI says Grok authors the workflow, Smoke checks it and improves it between runs. But the post does not show cost controls, failure recovery details beyond pause and resume, or proof that the verification layer catches the wrong decomposition instead of just polishing it. 1,000 agents behind a weak plan is still a weak plan at scale. This is an intentional, shorter cut, not a flagship 4 to 6 minute build. The story is one sharp workflow feature release, not a broad model reset. The clean test is simple. Take one painful task that already overflows a single agent, like large pull request review or issue triage. Run the workflow version and measure review quality, cleanup time, and whether the final report is actually easier to trust. If that moves, xAI shipped something real. If not, this is agent theatre with better concurrency.